What's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial on our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to play Steam games on Xbox. So, short, Steam games cannot run natively on Xbox consoles. This guide shows how to add Steam games to the Xbox app on PC so you can launch them there and use Xbox features. Firstly, on PC, press Start and open Microsoft Store. Search for Xbox Insider Hub and click Get or Install, then open the app and join the program. Now on your Xbox console, open the store, then search for Xbox Insider Bundle. Select Get, and this will install the Xbox Insider Hub and report a problem. Now open the Xbox app on PC, then go to Settings. Enable Game Library Integrations, then turn on Steam. Your Steam games will now appear in the Xbox app library. Now open the Xbox app and go to My Library. Select a Steam game, then click Play, and Steam will launch it in the background. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.